Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. First off, I want to talk about the American markets at the beginning. Well, the American markets has been yesterday made a huge green candle, as you can see through here, 2.3%, almost within the opening with a huge gap. So which just tell us the American market has just been made its dip over the 6,300 levels. So this is very good. It's almost going to be it and break the Ichimoku cloud, and this is fully bullish. That means in the daily these candles will be, seems like we are entering the bear market, but right now if it's going to be exceeded through this Ichimoku cloud, that means American markets again entering bull run and going to be really strong entrance of the bull run going to be occur with the S&P. This is really good for the holders of the S&P. Congratulations, you got really good money within it, because I mean you bought it from these levels. So congratulations, there's a money you earned it, and you are going to earn more in the period of time which is ahead of us. Good job. So that's I'm going to say. With the Nasdaq the same. It went to the Ichimoku cloud, little bit calm down from it, no worries. It seems like it's going to be break this line. If it's going to be just go and stay at these levels, it will be enter the Ichimoku cloud, and within that can be break it. So that means we are getting out of the daily bear market. This is really good. This is not a bear market, this is a correction which has occurred and going for its own way. As you can see through here, it just went down to the $20,000, which is August 2025 levels. Also maybe the July levels, these July levels. So made its dip, going for its upside trend, going to be continuing upside trend. Dow Jones is really going good. It went below really much, $45,000, and going for the 50 again for the all-time levels. This is good for the holding Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P. They are all going the same way, but if you are holding the American markets, these are the American market stock exchange index. Congratulations, you got really good money. Enjoy your money. Within the gold has been not that good at the moment. Gold is just been going up, going down, just going steady at these levels. Why am I saying that? Because within the gold a real good bunch round occurred over these prices when the month which is past us a couple of months ago. It made a really good rally, and that rally has to be cooled down, has to be catch its breath, because gold is rushed really well, and gold is like a $30 trillion of assets, and within the $30 trillion of assets has to be going upwards for the 10%, which means $3 trillion have to be get inflow into the gold, but it did. So this is a very much hard tempo run. It just have to be catch its breath at the moment. My opinion about the gold, it can be go up, go down, go up, go down, and just catch its breath over these levels, but in the very long time it will be go up eventually. At these days, in a couple of months, I believe it will be go and steady and go a little bit downside, like maybe this could be happen. Well, I'm not an oracle, I cannot predict it very well, but my opinion is about that. I can say you this market will be go steady and go below, but I cannot know the exact prices in which one. Nobody in the world can tell you about that. With the silver is the same thing. Silver can be go and hit the 81 level because of the Kaufman moving average is over here. So if it's going to be hit the Kaufman moving average, I don't think it will be go back to the enter the Ichimoku cloud itself, but we will have to look at it, because silver is correlated with the gold, and gold is just being steady at these levels. With the cryptocurrencies, well, good thing is in the cryptocurrencies. As you can see through here, it went to enter this Ichimoku cloud in 2 days ago when the ceasefire has been announced, and after that announcement, it entered this Ichimoku cloud. Really good going at the moment, $72,000. I think it will be go back to the $75,000, and as you can see through here, this can be break the $75,000. My opinion, it will be go upwards from these levels. I'm bullish about the Bitcoin. With the Ethereum has not been catch the Bitcoin at the moment, but because first the Bitcoin has to be go and Ethereum will be following, because Ethereum is altcoin compared to the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the main domain of the cryptocurrencies. The altcoins will be follow it. Eventually the Ethereum will be catch and win the Bitcoin, because when the prices are going up, Bitcoin goes one step ahead, Ethereum will be go to 2 steps ahead or 3 steps ahead. But if the Bitcoin go down like 1% or 1 step behind, it will be go down like 2%, 3%. Something like that, much volatile compared to the Bitcoin. Like think about it like a leveraged Bitcoin. Just think about it in the Ethereum. XRP In my videos like 2 days ago or 3 days ago, I mentioned about XRP and I said these levels are dip 132. This is worth to buy at the moment. It shows us I've been through because it's going up at the moment. There's a positive correlation occurred over here in the RSI band. The positive correlation also can be go, and this can be hit and break the 153 and can we go through like the $2 level within it. So I like the XRP at the moment. I think you should be add your portfolio with the XRP. This is not very much late to order by my opinion at the moment. I'm holding the XRP. XMR has been again touched the 315 levels and going up. The all cryptocurrencies are going to be, all altcoins are going to be enter the Ichimoku cloud, as you can see through here. If it's going to be enter this Ichimoku cloud, and if it's going to be break this, I believe the Monero will be go to the 750, but it's early to talk about it. We just have to see if it's going to be break this Ichimoku cloud. With the AVAX also made its dip over the 850 is the dip in the AVAX and going for its upwards level. Also with the Fed also very good running through these levels and squeezing through these levels, and I believe it will be make another flag up and go back to the 138. Seems like it will be going to hit these levels. So I like the American markets. I think it's worth to buy. I'm holding American markets. I bought it before. I mentioned you about my videos before. I'm buying it. For the gold, silver and platinum, I do not see it very well. I think it will be go stable at these levels. And the cryptocurrencies and altcoins, I like it, but not all altcoins. The altcoins which I mentioned, AVAX, Fed, XRP, XMR, Ethereum, these cryptocurrencies, these are altcoins with a huge volume occurring over these levels. So I like it. Thank you for watching my video. See you all.